So one of the things that you can actually do is import out chats easily as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto your profile right here, and then go around onto settings. So once you do that, over here you can see that chat is an option, and here you can see that import chats is an option. Let me just go around onto import chats right here, and now you can go ahead onto the folder where you have your chat saved right here. For example, you can see that I have this exported chat in JSON format, as you can see right here, that you can go ahead and open, and you can see that the chat right here gets imported successfully right here. So if you have a particular chat that has been exported from another account, or let's say for example you shared it to someone else, then they can simply go ahead and import out the chat just like that. Even for chats right here, let's say for example, if I were to go around over here onto settings, I can go around onto chats right here and then click on import chats. And once you do that, you can actually go ahead and select out even JSON file with multiple chats exported, and you can simply go ahead and import it right here, and they will be imported onto your account. So it is taking some time right here, and after some time you can see that the chats has been imported. And that is how you can go ahead and import out chats that may have been exported from another account, or that you may have exported for backup reasons and later deleted in Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.